Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to enter the boot menu of your HP ProBook computer. So, first of all, you have to turn off your computer as you see. After that, we have to turn on by this button your computer and then press rapidly F9. F9 is right here. I'm gonna be this F9. So you're gonna rapidly press F9 after you turn on. So let's get it started. Turn on and rapidly press F9. As you see, F9. I'm hitting the F9 and wait until you see enter the boot menu. Okay, and that's it. As you see, we are in boot menu. So that's the case of enter it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe and see you by next video. Hey.